wrapped around something. Could be a diamond.
Maybe from an engagement ring?
I don't think so. It looks like it could come off the nail.
That makes sense. It's the closest thing I've ever had.
You know, we've got the nail back at the lab. Want to see the following in the sequence?
Yes. Hi.
Hey.
So did you get anything from Tracy about graduate time?
No, it's going to take too long. I think we should perform our own experiment and test it against what we know to be a real diamond. Not earrings.
Okay.
The molecular structure of carbon makes it one of the hardest surfaces on Earth. So it should scratch glass. So we know that those are authentic. Let's check it against those from the veil.
That's fake.
You know, that veil was made especially for this wedding by a man in a barn and it sold for like $8 million.
That's a pretty expensive fake.
I think that it's time someone had a conversation with Mr. Farr.
Well, you know, Natalia's out in the field. Maybe she could stop by for a little chat.
You for slander. Those diamonds are authentic.
Our lab report says that every one of those stones is a cubic zirconium.
I don't care what your lab says. The veil that left here was genuine. I don't know how she ended up with the fake. Yeah, these are reports from reputable gemologists.
So you had it appraised, and then you sold the fake. And then you kept the real one, the 1.8 million for yourself, and then probably the bride found out it was a fake and was going to expose you.
I designed it piece by hand.